Hey there, Professor. I have a question about computer science.
Well, then you've come to the right place. I know everything about computer science.
So how does our operating system create a new process and officially allot physical memory space?
Well, consider the noble farmer. He knows just how to do it. Rather than wait on old Mother Nature to facilitate the pollination and reproduction of his crop, the farmer utilizes a bit of human ingenuity and clones the plants.
Cloning? What do you mean?
Cloning is a common agricultural method by which a portion of the original or parent plant is planted. The amputated bit of plant matter naturally regenerates in the ground and becomes a complete functioning organism in its own right, a complete genetic copy of the original.
So what's that got to do with computer science?
Well, this is much like the way the fork system call replicates processes. When called, fork creates a direct replica of the original parent process, which proceeds to run the parent's same code. The fork call returns the process ID of the newly created child process to the parent and returns 0 to the child process. The child, in turn, saves the PID of its parent process as a variable called the parent process ID. In this way, the two processes save references to each other, not unlike nodes on a doubly linked list for all you data structures heads out there.
So the PID is like a catalog of all the trees that we're growing, right?
That's right. Now just keep playing the piano there now, buddy. Don't stop. Now our child process and parent process are pointing to the same memory addresses and using the same resources.
But hold on a minute. What if the child process wants to make changes to the data shared by the two processes?
Well, in that case, the operating system implements a policy known as copy on write, wherein data is copied to another memory location simultaneously as it is altered. In this way, the parent process maintains its reference to the original unaltered data.
So what about if our farmer friend wants to use some of his acreage for a different manner of crop?
Well, that's not unlike the operating system and its users allocating memory for a new process. In this case, the shrewd farmer uproots his old plant and in its place loads a new plant, utilizing the nutrients of the previous plant matter and the tilled soil previously allocated to the old crop. Likewise, when a process in execution calls exec, it proceeds to replace the code originally being executed with a new program image of an entirely different program.
I guess fork and exec are pretty cool after all.
That's right. Good job, my boy.
I like your second half better.